let's at least give the person an opportunity to finish yung kanyang response dun sa question. Inimbitahan nyo na nga, no, galing pa ng Davao yung taong ito, no, on his own money, di ba? Nabanggit niya yan na he's only living off na from his pension from government. So hindi naman ganun kalaki yung nakukuha niyang pension, and pagta-travel ka mula Davao to attend these hearings, it will cost him money. Pinapuntan niyo na nga yung tao doon, and yet you keep on interrupting the former president from answering the questions, no? So hindi ba pambabastos yun, Admar, di ba? So I was really upset, ano, and magaganda sana yung sinasabi ni PRRD. The problem is Senator Hontiveros keep interrupting him, ano? Kaya nga to the point na nagtataas na rin ang boses si PRRD to make his point across, ano? Kasi nga pilit siyang ini-interrupt kahapon. At luckily